Hi, welcome to the channel Quick Math. I'm Siddhisha. Today's session is going to be on the topic exponents. Yes, so without wasting time, let's get into the video. As we said, our topic is exponents. Now let's start by taking the numbers. So here I'm taking a number 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here what is the number? Yes, this is the number. That means 3 is the number. We are writing 3. How many times we are multiplying 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we are multiplying the number 3 by 4 times. So in order to represent it, we can write it as 3 and 4 here. Why we have written 3 here and 4 here? Because 3 is the number. And how many times we are multiplying this number? That is 4 times. This is the first 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are multiplying this 3 by 4 times. So 3 to the power of 4. And now let us see what we call this 3 and what we call this 4. Yes, the 3 is called it as base. This we call as base, and the number at the top of the base we call it as exponent. We call this as exponent. So the number 3 is called base and 4 is exponent. Exponent shows how many times we have to multiply the number itself. That means here this exponent, that means this 4 is saying that we have to multiply the base, that means the 3, by how many times? Yes, by 4 times. And how we read this number? We read this number as 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to the power 4. And what we call 3? 3 as base. 3 we call it as base. And we know that 4 we call it as exponent. And how we read this? 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4. Now let's see with one more example which will give you clear idea about what is an exponent. Now if I take 4 multiplied by 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 4. Here what is the number? That is 4. We have written 4. Yes, take the number 4. And how many times we have multiplied this 4? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 times we have to multiply this 4. In order to represent it, what we will do? 4 to the power of 6. Here the 4 is called as base and 6 is called as exponent. That means the number 4 has to multiply how many times? Yes, the number 4 has to multiply 6 times by itself. So exponent says that how many times we have to multiply the number itself in order to get the result. And how we read this number? Yes, we read this number as 4 raised to the power 6. 4 raised to power 6. In this way we read the numbers. Now I have taken the number. Now I am multiplying the 2 by 2 times. So what is the number here we are multiplying? That is 2. Take 2 and how many times this number is multiplying? 1, 2. So 2 and 2. And what this 2 called as? Yes, this 2 is a base and this 2 is exponent. And how we read this number? 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. Okay. So, okay, as we have learnt what are exponents, where we use these exponents? Yes, we use the exponents in order to find the area of a square or rectangle or the geometrical figures or the numbers also, and in order to show the numbers in a simple manner. In this session, we have learnt what is a base, what is an exponent, and how we read the base with the exponent. Hope you liked today's session. If you did, you know what you have to do. Please give me a thumbs up and show your love towards our channel. If you have any further queries, leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Stay tuned for the channel for more interesting and easy content. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the bell icon which is right next to it, which gives you all the notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching the video.
I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.